Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be another quick video, but in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my one of my favorite go-to very quick hairstyles, which is this low ponytail with some extensions added to the back. So y'all, it's really simple. It won't take you long at all. It's something that I do if I'm really in a rush or on the go, or just have to do something really quick to my hair, but I don't have a lot of time to put into the hairstyle. So what I'm gonna do first is just honestly just take it down really fast, and hopefully this don't take too long because I'm trying to make this video short and easy to follow. So let me and I kind of combed these out, so I want them to kind of have the really puffy, naturally kinky type of look. So that's what I'm going for. Let me just go ahead and take these clips off, and then we'll get to the video. And these extensions that I'm using are the Amazing Beauty Jerry Curl extensions. As you guys know, these were sent to me and I'm still using them. If I don't have on a wig, y'all, this is what my hair has in it. These extensions are awesome. So yeah, let me go ahead and take these off. This is kind of ground zero for this hairstyle. Pretty much I already have my hair kind of shaped in this direction, or molded in the direction of where how I want my ponytail to go. So first I'm just going to show you guys what I put on my hair to slick it down. Ooh, my nose is itching. And I usually don't do edges because I don't know, my edges never stay when I try, but I'm gonna do it today in this video. So what I'm going to be using to slick my hair down is, first I'm going to be using this Equate Beauty Argan Oil Conditioner, and I'm going to be using the Wetline Extreme Gel. Those are the two products I'm going to be using today, and really just depends on the state of my hair, because if I have straightened my hair out, I would use a edge control. But since my hair was definitely still curly when I did this style, there's really no need to put edge control on it. I might as well just use gel because my hair is already in its curly state. So what I'm going to do first is just apply this conditioner all the way around, just to add a little bit of extra moisture when I do add the gel. Oops. So I'm just adding the conditioner. Sometimes I use water, but today, oh man, today we're keeping it very simple. And then I think I'm also going to use some of this Firm Hold setting spray. It's kind of like when you wrap your hair or when you go to the hair salon and stuff. So I'm just going to use a little bit of this too. This will be the moisture, watery type of product that I add. So I'm just going to add this. Let's see, is that good? Yeah. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with a little bit of gel. And then add that as well. Alright. And I actually really like this gel. And it smells good too. But y'all already know about this gel. Y'all are not new to this at all. So then we're going to go ahead and add this. And I'm trying to look in the viewfinder because I don't have a mirror, or a big mirror at least. So I am just, not viewfinder, looking at my phone. So let's slick this down. But for my edges, I'm going to be using Got to Be Glued, this stuff right here on my edges, to hopefully it'll stay today. So yeah, now I'm just going to kind of brush my hair, get it slick. So that is pretty much the base of my ponytail. So let's go ahead and get this secure. And what I did next is I just went ahead and put a braid in my real hair. You could always use extensions in the ponytail depending on how long you want the ponytail to go down. So if you wanted like a longer ponytail, you can add extensions to it, and then once you wrap the hair around, it'll make your ponytail longer overall. So I'm not doing that today. I'll probably do it next time, or maybe not, because actually the length of it works for me. So this is what we have. And what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and slick down my baby hairs, and then I'm gonna wrap the hair around as I let this part set. So I'm gonna put a scarf. I'm gonna put a scarf around my edges and let that set. So first I'm gonna do my edges though. With this and the brush here. I don't usually use the comb. It's always easier for me to use the brush side. So that's what I'm about to do very fast. And I'm going to try my best to do this while looking in this little mirror. Because, yeah. And if I have to, I might just have to leave and do my edges off camera. And then come back. Because, y'all. Woo! It'd be a whole struggle and a half trying to do my edges on camera. A whole struggle and a half. So let's attempt this, and if not, we're gonna have to do it off camera and come back. So let's see. Oh, I can already tell. Okay, I'll be back when I'm finished doing my edges. Okay, so I did a very minor edge type of slick down. Nothing like super fancy, and nothing a lot like super, I don't know, Instagram girly. So this is just what I do. And let me go ahead and tie this down so this can set in place. And then we're just gonna go ahead and wrap the hair around the braid. So this is the braid we have. Let me turn around for y'all so y'all can see what exactly we're doing in the back. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and wrap these extensions around the braid. So I'm going to take the first extension. We're going to start at the very, very, very bottom of the braid. And we're just going to take it and clip it in, lock it in place, and then wrap it as much as we can. And then clip the next one. And wrap that one. So depending on how thick you want your braid to be, or sorry, not braid. Depending on how thick you want your ponytail to be, you can use as many extensions as you want. For the most part, I'm using about a box full of extensions for this ponytail. So we're just gonna do the same thing. Left off right here, so we're gonna circle around, and that's just so that we can fit more hair on the ponytail. And then we're gonna move a little bit up and then clip that down on the braid, and then wrap it around, clip the other side, and then clip the last clip. Let's see, about right here. Clip that. Let's try to keep it as flat as possible at the top, so that the 2-clip extension doesn't have too much that it has to kind of cover up or go around or go over. So let's move this down a little bit more. Just a touch. Move this down. Clip that in place. And then wrap it one more time. Let's see. I'm going to take this, I'm going to add a little bit of oil to it just to make it a little more smooth. So I'm taking the ORS Hair Repair Coconut Oil and Boa whatever oil. And I'm just gonna take this and run it over this hair a little bit. So we're just gonna take this hair and wrap it around the base of the ponytail, making sure that we're covering all the spots that we don't want visible. So let's do that, and then just kind of wrap it. And I usually just kind of wrap it till I can't anymore, and it usually stays for the most part. So slide this up, even this out. Okay. Tuck it in. And I kind of just wanted to have the kinky look, so I'm just going to brush it out a little bit more. Because I did brush it out already, but I didn't do a thorough brushing out. And with curly extensions, they do require a lot of maintenance. So if you don't want to have to maintain curly hair, I would not advise you to get curly extensions. But that is pretty much it. So this was sitting for about, what, 5 minutes. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys. You can let it sit forever, however long you would like, however long you feel is comfortable for you, for your hair to be, you know, popping and all that. So this is the hair. Alright, so that's pretty much how I do my super quick, super easy go-to low ponytail, low sleek ponytail with a little bit of baby hair. I don't do a lot with my baby hair because I'm debating on if I should like take some of my longer hairs and just cut them short, because they're so long they don't really form into baby hairs. They don't really work. I don't know. So I'm thinking about trying that and seeing. I don't know, y'all. I'm just trying to experiment with my hair, to be honest. But this is just what my hairstyle looks like. I really like this hairstyle. It's so easy. Like, it literally takes 20 minutes to do, and then you're literally done for at least a week. If you keep your scarf on at night and put your scarf on when you take a shower, you're able to wear this hairstyle for a good while. So that is why I like it so much. And that was pretty much it for this video. I know this video was kind of short, but I just wanted to show you guys how I did my sleek ponytail. So this is definitely for beginners. This does not take a lot of work. It doesn't take any heat at all, unless you want to do like a straight hair ponytail, but mine is curly, so I didn't really see the point in, you know, putting heat on my hair today. So yeah, that was pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Like, comment, subscribe if you have not already. Hit the notification bell if you have not already. And, you know, share my videos, share this channel if you found it helpful. Let me know if you do this hairstyle anytime soon. Let me know if you guys like these extensions as well. I kind of like them more like afro-y type, but when you curl them or you wash them and brush them out, they give you a very cute spiral curl. So I'm probably going to also do a video on how I wash these extensions very, very soon, because I've had these extensions for a few months now and I'm still able to wear them, even though I do neglect them a little bit because I don't comb them out all the time, but they're still holding up very nice. And I do try to at least cover them or wrap them in a ball when I sleep at night, just to eliminate some of the tangling. But if you get curly hair extensions, you have to understand that they are going to tangle some, but you just have to maintain them and like comb them out. If you don't even comb them out every day with like a utensil, just go through it with your hands and just kind of go through and like just pull the hair apart and just, you know, just work your magic with this hair. This was a very quick video. So I just like this hairstyle so much. It's so cute. Like, oh my gosh, sorry. So that's pretty much it. I want to say thank you guys again so much for watching my channel, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. So goodbye. Now I'm about to go do my thumbnail so I can at least have a cute thumbnail. Hey guys, so I'm trying something new out with my content, so if you made it to the end of this video, you are definitely a trooper, and I thank you guys so much, so much for your comments and your support. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time in my next video.